Hello and welcome back to the channel Hard to Set Info, and today I will show you how to get rid of sensitive content warning on X. So for this one I will use my browser, because when I tried using my mobile application of X, I didn't manage to do that simply because I didn't see such function. So if you have that problem like I did, then use your browser, but if not, it's completely okay if you use your mobile application. The steps are completely the same, so if you follow my instructions, I'm sure that you can do it. So I opened the official website of X, that is called x.com, and I signed into my account, and now I want to tap my profile picture in the top left corner of my screen, scroll down to Settings and Privacy, tap Privacy and Safety, and go to section that's called Content You See. So if you want to get rid of sensitive content warning, then you want to make sure that your tick right here next to this line is put in this checkbox, and that way you will see sensitive content in your X feed. And additionally, if you want to see sensitive content in your searching results when you search for something on X, then go to search settings right here and make sure that you do not have your tick put in this checkbox next to hide sensitive content line. So yeah, that's how you can get rid of sensitive content warning on X. But if you still have that warning after completing these steps, then try downloading VPN to your device and connecting to United States of America, or you can connect to Western European countries and see if you still have warning. But 100% it should work if you use your VPN. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.